Assalamu alaikum. This is solid modeling using Inventor, lecture number 3. It talks about how to make parts, how to model parts. This is part number 1. At the beginning, we have to go to new and select metric or English units. It depends on units you are using. Say that it is millimetric. I will use standard millimeter part, create a part. Now in this lecture we will talk about how we can create chamfer, how we can make extrude cut, how we can make draft, fillet, shell, and do some or generate some technical drawings with orthographic, multi-views, section, and isometric. Now at the beginning we have to create a new sketch on a work plane. Say that I want to draw a rectangle, center or 2-point rectangle, where the center of the rectangle is the center of the drawing. By the way, these diagonals, they are in yellow dashed properties. That means they are construction lines, and that means they will not be considered during the modeling or making a feature. So the inventor will ignore them, but we are using them just as a construction lines to do many things, to draw other parts, to indicate the dimensions or the location. Once I finish, I will go to extrude as I show you, and then we can indicate the extrude direction in both sides or one side, the extrusion height, then press OK. Now how we can make extrude cut? Let me draw something here like a rectangle, another rectangle. By the way, we should constrain the dimensions or the location, but let me ignore this one now. Finish the drawing. Now I will make extrude. The inventor by default selected this area. I will choose, by default it is in join. Join, that means add material, cut, remove material. So I will choose cut. Once the cut chosen, the direction will be flipped like this inside the material, and the depth is same, extrusion height. So if you want to keep it, keep it. If you want to make it for certain depth like 5, you can say 5 like this, never mind. Now regarding chamfer and fillet, we can do it in 2D or 3D, it's up to you. That means we can prepare it in the sketch or in the feature. Okay, now I want to make a fillet here. Click on this edge. See, once the edge selected, we have two options here appeared. The first one, create fillet. The second one, chamfer. I will create fillet. Regarding fillet, we have to select the diameter or radius. How much the radius? Say that 3. Like this, then press OK. You want to add more, click here, fillet, and make selection in 3, apply, and then click this edge, apply as example, click this edge, apply. We got something like this. Go to the front view to see what we did exactly. Just made the corners fillets. Now I will go to home again, and I will make chamfers inside again. We can select, or we can use the orbit like this. Select this edge, chamfer. For the chamfer we have options. The first option, it is distances or distance. That means from here to here and from here to here distances are equal, and we have to select the distance 2 or 3. Say I will make it 3 by 3 like this, so I will choose 3. Okay, for the next one also say that same, 3 by 3, apply, cancel. Let me select the other chamfer, the other edge, this one, chamfer. We have here the second option, distance, and the second option, distance and angle. Say that the distance is 3, angle is 45. Let me select again. The edge, what happened, I don't know. Let me do it again. Click here, chamfer, select the option, okay, distance 3, 45, and I will select this I don't know, edge again, select edge again, this edge. Okay, let me do it again. Chamfer, okay, select this option, distance and angle. Distance is 3, angle is 45. Okay, I will select the edge again. Select the edge again. I don't know, it should not be like that, but anyway, I want to show you the option. The distance here is 3 and the angle is 45. Because the angle is 45 and 3, that means the other distance is 3 by 3. But let me change it to angle 15 as example. See, this is the distance 3, this is the distance 3, and this is the angle 15. You can apply it like this, and so on. And the other option, it is distance and distance. If you want to change the distances, they are not equal. Cancel. Let me go to chamfer here, and let me right click, delete this chamfer, and keep the others. Now this is how we can make chamfer, how we can make fillets. Say that I want to remove the inside extrusion. I will go right click here, delete this extrusion, delete everything related, come to this fillet. I need it all these, keep them. Now we have a command called shell. The shell command used to make or remove material from inside and keep the surfaces with certain thickness. So I will make shell. Now by default, the part or the solid selected, as you see here, we have hidden lines, okay, represent edges. That means material removed from inside, and it keeps just surfaces with thickness of 1 millimeter. We can change the thickness to 2 millimeter or 3, it's up to you. Now if I press OK, it will remove remove material from inside, but you can't see anything. So I can do that, but still see, it's already shelled. Okay, we have shell here, but I can't see. Let me make undo, select undo, and shell again, same settings, 3 thickness. But now what I will do, I will select this surface to remove it, like this. We can select this surface and that surface, and we can select many surfaces, it's up to you. Okay, as you see, the shell, it remove material and keep surfaces with thickness, uniform thickness, same thickness everywhere. Now I want to save the file. Say that part number 4. So the file now saved already. I want to go to file, new, and metric, and then I will use drawing file, or say that Inventor drawing file. So it's up to you, use any one of them. Say that I will use ISO drawing file, create. Now as you see here, we can place the multi-views and isometric. So I will start by the base. By default, the Inventor give us the file, the previous file. If not, we have to go to here, browse, and select the file. Anyway, this is okay. Now I want this as a front view. Press OK. Now I will move the mouse here. I can see the view. There is a red line around it, and an icon, move icon beside the mouse. That means I can move it like this. Double click on the view again. You can select the scale you want. If it is a large scale, small scale, you can change the scale. Say that we can, for the scale, for me it's okay. Here we have some options. This option, hidden line, that means we can show the hidden line. Here, hidden line removed. The hidden line will be removed if this option selected. And here it's shaded, if I want to make it shaded. Press OK. So now I want to place the top view. I will go to projected. I will select the front view. Then move the mouse up and down. But take care, it depends on the default. If you move up, it will give you top or bottom. It depends, first or third angle. You should check that. It depends on the default option in your Inventor. Surely you can change it later. I will show you. Click here. Now right click create. As you see, it gives me the bottom view, because this gap, it's open from here. It should be from this side if it's top view, but it is from this side. That means it's bottom view, and the view here, it's the first angle. So if you keep it first angle, it's okay. If you want it a third angle, you can move like this, and you can move this one like this to make it as a third angle. So in this case, this should be bottom, and this will be a front view like this. Now I want to do the same thing, projected, select front view, go or move to the, if you want the right, move to the left, because I know now it is a first angle. Now move it to the right. Now next step, I want to project from the front view. I will go and move up, click, right click, okay, but I don't like this view. Double click, I will use the cube to change the view angle. You can select this one if you wish, it's up to you, any one of them. Then press OK. Now again, double click on the isometric, make it shaded. Okay, press OK. Now just to show you something here. This edge is not original edge. This edge, it is not an original edge. So we have to remove them. It's just necessary for modeling. So right click, visibility off, right click, visibility off. Same thing here. Okay, but we can't remove this one because it's original edge. The last thing here, or before that, we have to add axes and center lines. Here we have axes, here we have axes. Sorry, we don't have axes because this is not a circular cavity or hole. But just to show you how we can make it, go to annotation. From annotation, we can select bisector and select this one and select this one, and then it's okay. But as I told you, this is not a cylindrical hole, so we should not put this one. I will make undo just to show you how we can do it. And here we have for center marks, if there's a circle, center mark like this circle as example. But again, this is not a circle. To fillet, we should not do or make center mark. And we have, if you have a pattern here, you can put center marks. Now, the last thing, as you see, we can put the name here, or some text, or some data or informations. How we can add? Just click text, click here, and then write the data you want. Press OK. If you like the font and the size, it's okay. Press cancel or escape. If you want to change, double click, select the text you want. As example, make it bold, italic, underline, and change the height to 5. It's up to you. It depends on what you want to show. Now this text is just like any object. You can move it like this. Click and move like this. This is the lecture number 3, part 1. We talked about the shell and offset. Sorry, shell and chamfer, fillet, and how we can generate multi-views. Now the last thing here, I want to add section view. How we can make a section view. Let me go to place again and go to section. At the beginning, I have to create the CPL, draw the CPL, cutting a plane line. To draw CPL, we have to select the view where we want to show the CPL. Say that this view, or say that this view, it's okay. Then I have to draw the CPL. Say that the CPL from here to here. Right click, continue, move up or down. If I want to look from bottom, like this. Undo, I will show you different one. Again, section, I will select this time the front view. I will choose the CPL, draw CPL like this. Then right click, continue. Then I will select it from top. As you see, this is section AA. This is the CPL, by the way. It's a cutting a plane line. Show you the location of the cutting a plane used to make a section view. And this is AA section. The scale is 5:1. This is the end of the say that part 1. But let me go back to the part number 4 here and show you how we can make a draft. Or let me open new file. Let me open new file, metric file, standard part file. Let me draw a sketch on this work plane and draw a rectangle like this, just to show you what I want to do. Extrude, use any height, never mind. Now regarding the draft, it's a tool, and this tool used to apply an angle to specified face or part. Now select draft. First of all, I have to select the pull direction or pull object. Say that I will use this one. Now I see the pull direction, it's up. You can change the pull direction to down. I will show you what's the difference. Then the face, it's already activated. I will select this face. That means I want to rotate this face by angle. The angle value, it is 2.5. It could be negative, could be positive, but mainly use it as a positive and change direction. Say that 15 angle. Okay, the pull direction to the outside. Then I will change the pull direction, flip it like this. Then press OK. Then I will go to the next edge. I will select pull direction like this and face. This face with the same angle, apply, cancel. We got something like that. This is the draft command. Now we finished the lecture number 3. Concepts, and we have to proceed to class works or do some exercise. I will start class work number 1 or exercise number 1. It is exercise step by step doing, so you can follow the steps. Exercise number 2 is just you have the file, Inventor file, and you want to just make the multi-views. Exercise number 3 and 4, it needs explanation. I will explain it in next video. So thank you for watching this video.